Hello children, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Today we learn lesson 1 and 2. Are you ready? Good.
Listening 107. Listen and point.
Young, handsome, pretty, short, tall, shy, friendly, shy, short, friendly, tall, handsome, young, pretty.
Listen and repeat.
Young,
Young,
handsome,
handsome,
pretty,
pretty,
short,
short,
tall,
tall,
shy,
shy,
friendly.
friendly. Look at the picture. Repeat after me. Old, young, handsome, pretty, tall, short, friendly, shy.
Listening 109. Listen and repeat.
He was handsome then.
He was handsome then.
I wasn't tall when I was 5.
I wasn't tall when I was 5.
We were happy when you were young.
We were happy when you were young.
You weren't shy when you were 6.
You weren't shy when you were 6.
He had a book when he was a baby.
He had a book when he was a baby.
You didn't have white hair when you were young.
You didn't have white hair when you were young. Now repeat after me. Present, past, is, was, are, were, have, has, had, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. This is Billy. He was 2 years old and he was 4 years old. He had a toy. He didn't have a toy. Now repeat after me. He had a toy. He didn't have a toy. He was young. He wasn't shy. He was friendly. He had a ball. She was pretty when she was young. They were happy when they were young. Now take out your notebook and pencil, please. Are you ready? Good. Read and circle. Look at the picture. 1. They weren't at the park on Sunday. They were on the beach, okay? Now, you have 10 seconds to do this exercise. 2. It was or wasn't sunny. It was sunny. 3. The ocean was or wasn't hot. Look at your boy. The ocean wasn't hot because the boy is very cold. 4. The children were or weren't hungry. The children were hungry. 5. The sandwiches were or weren't small. Weren't small. They were big, okay? You write had or didn't have. 1. Look at the picture. They had pizza for lunch last Friday. 2. The boys blah 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 a party last weekend. Had or didn't have. Didn't have, okay? 3. He blah 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 a guitar lesson yesterday. Look at the picture. He had a piano lesson, okay? You write didn't have. He didn't have a guitar lesson yesterday. 4. The girls blah 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 a picnic last Saturday. The girls had a picnic last Saturday. Alter the letters and write the word. 1. Look at the picture. He is tall, okay? 2. Shy. 3. Pretty. 4. Young. Easy? Well done. 5. Short. 6. Handsome. 7. What word do you guess? Friendly, okay? Look at the reading. Now let's read together. My name is Nga. Last Saturday, my family went to the park. It was windy and hot. My sister played in the fountain. She made my dad wet. He wasn't happy. Mom was hungry, so she had a sandwich. My brother and I played on the swings. I had a really good time at the park. Now you write wasn't, was, weren't, or was in the blanks. 1. Example. Nga and her family weren't at the beach. Okay? They went to the park. So you write weren't. 2. The weather blah 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 hot. It was windy and hot. You write was. 3. Mom blah 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 hungry. Mom was hungry. So you write was, okay? 4. The children blah 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 sad. I had a really good time. It means they were happy. So you write they weren't sad. And 5, the last one. It was windy and hot. It wasn't rainy. Okay? Now you write a had or didn't have. 1. For example, he didn't have breakfast in the living room. You choose didn't have. 2. Cereal for breakfast. He had cereal for breakfast. Okay? 3. Music lesson. Look at the picture. He had or didn't have didn't have a music lesson. 4. He had or didn't have sandwiches and an apple for lunch. He had. 5. He did dinner with his family. He had or didn't have. He didn't have, okay? Now this is your homework. Remember, write a new words today, okay? Today you are very good. It's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye. See you next lesson.